Very good. Who has stopped my recording? Okay.
Anyone unmute mic.
A very good morning. What happened? Very good morning. And please switch off the speakers which are not required.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Because everyone's voice is open. Please, everyone, please switch off the voice, then I can speak. Have you switched it off? Have you?
Yes.
Okay. Now I can speak better. Okay. So today we will be beginning with a new topic, algebra. Have you heard of the word algebra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes, ma'am.
What means? Can anyone explain for me the word?
Sorry, ma'am. I can't.
Ananya Jain, if you don't want to answer, please switch off the speaker. If you want, then only on. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of algebra?
The places where alphabets are used in place of numbers.
Okay. In algebra, we do not see numbers. We cannot see at all numbers.
Ma'am, in algebra we take a variable alphabet.
So, when the arithmetic form numbers are spoken in the form of alphabets, that alphabet, small letter alphabets, A, B, C, D till Z, they are called as algebraic numbers. What they are called as? Algebraic numbers.
Algebraic number.
And the common term for algebraic numbers is variables. What we call them? Variables. What we call them? Variables. Please repeat.
Variables.
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 And if a number is without any algebraic term, means no algebraic term, means no alphabet is attached to that number. Understood? If no alphabet is attached to a number and only simple single number is written, that is called as constant. What we call it as? Constant. What we call them as?
Constant.
Constant. So, let's see.
Constant.
Okay, let's see, can you answer me or not? If you can see the slides, please tell me. Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, first of all, what is algebra? Algebra is a generalized means in general, arithmetic in which numbers are represented by letters. And what we call these letters, you know, the combination of number and letters is variables, be it a constant, be it a variable, we call it commonly literal numbers. What we call them? Literal numbers. Can you see? We call them
Literal number.
or
Literal numbers.
or simply we call them literals, or simply we call them literals. So just now I defined, let's see, a number 2l plus b. You will say, ma'am, this is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, but it's in the form of algebraic expression because variables, because any value can be of L and any value of can be B, and depending on that value, the perimeter will change, right or wrong. We can substitute any value for L, we can substitute any value for B, and that value will be the perimeter of rectangle, right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Right. Ma'am, right.
The
Ma'am, right.
That's what you write for the formula
Right.
for mensuration. Means जैसे perimeter of a rectangle, area of a rectangle are, or the rules which we have read till yet are all not in the form of algebraic expressions. Are they not in the form of algebraic expressions? For example, we learn commutative law. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Is it not in the form of algebraic form? Are they not in the form of algebraic forms? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes.
Yes. So now what does this literal mean? See, L is the literal used for length and B is the literal used for breadth of the rectangle. So what literal we are using for perimeter of a rectangle? L for in place of length and B in place of breadth. So this and B becomes the variable for length and breadth respectively. Any confusion?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
I defined variables and constant. Can anyone tell me in this expression? See, expression means when we write in literals in the form of using operators plus, minus, divide and multiply. But you will say, ma'am, where is, we do not show the multiplication sign. See, when 2 multiplied by x is given, so we write it as 2x. Because the multiplication sign is not shown in the terms of literals. We do not show multiplication sign in algebraic expression, but if a number is written, an algebraic variable and a constant variable and a number is written together, that means it is written in the form of multiplication. So if I will say 2 multiplied by x is 2x plus 3 multiplied by y is 3y plus 7. Can you tell me among these 3 literals which are variables and which are constants? Which
2 into x and 3 into y are variables.
Which literal is variable?
X and y are variables.
No. Again remember what I said. Variables are what?
X and y.
Again repeat, remember recall what I said about variables. If an alphabet is single or written with a number, it is a variable. If an alphabet is written single or written with an number, then it is called a variable. Now can you recognize which is variables and which are constant?
Ma'am, 2 into x and 3 into y.
2 into x and 3
are variables.
2 into
3 into y, ma'am, are variable
and 3y is variables.
So,
and 7 is constant.
7 is constant.
And 7 is constant.
Ma'am, 7 is constant.
okay, let me answer. Variables are 2x and 3y, 2x and 3y, and constant is 7. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
on this concept only, your exercise which 7, I think 7.1? No.
Yes, ma'am, 7.1.
Yeah. Based on this concept only, please open your book. Please open your book. Exercise 7.1 is to be done. Exercise 7.1 to be done. The first question I have written for you, rest we will be discussing directly from the book. See, there are 60 apples in a box. How will you represent the total number of apples taking n as a number of box? See, first I will show you how we deal with this type questions. First, we will see which number is unknown. Here, total number of, see, the number of apples in one box is, the number of apples in one box is equal to 60 given first. The number of apples in one box is equal to 60 is given to us, and the number of boxes is n. So, if we have to find we have to do? We have to multiply this 60 with n. Yes or no? We have to multiply 60 with n. So answer is 60. So our answer is 60n. Any confusion? Why not 60 multiplied by and why 60n? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me what you want to ask. I'm here to answer only. Yes, what you want to ask? I'm here to answer you only, beta. Please ask what you want to ask. नहीं समझ में आया? समझ में आ गया? Anyone can tell me why I have written 60n, not 60 multiplied by n?
No.
Why?
Because we have already multiplied it.
We do not show the multiplication sign. We do not show the multiplication sign. Huh? Where?
I'm not able to see your screen sharing. Ma'am, I'm not able to see your screen sharing.
Now can you see?
Ma'am, I'm not able to see your screen.
Then there will be a problem from your
I'm
side.
not able to see.
Better reconnect yourself. Reconnect yourself. Might be a technical problem from your side. Reconnect yourself. Might be a technical problem from your side. Rest can see, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that means the technical problem from your side. Please reconnect yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see one more question. Okay. Read the next question. I've told you have to read the question for me, right? I'm telling you which question. See, the third question. Shinky scores 100 marks in mathematics and X marks in science.
Now I can't see your screen clearly.
In your book or not? Have you a book or not?
My voice is lagging.
What?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Please switch. My voice will be clear.
And my voice is lagging.
My voice is lagging because others are opening their speakers. If you have to answer, then only please open your speakers. Okay? Okay, let's take one question. Shinky scores 100 marks in mathematics and X marks in science. What is her total score in mathematics and science? How will you do this question? How will you do this question? Who will answer me?
Ma'am, 100 into
Your screen.
X.
Ma'am,
No.
100. Ma'am, 100 into X is equal to
200 into X. Equals to
100 into
100
X.
into X.
100 X.
Huh?
Ma'am, 100 into X.
100 into X. We will multiply the
Ma'am,
marks.
100 X.
Ma'am, 100
Ma'am, I
into
can't
X
even
is
see your
equal to
screen.
100 X.
Beta, if you will multiply maths and science marks, you will multiply the marks of maths and multiply the marks of science. Will you be multiplying the marks of
No, ma'am, you have to add.
you have to add them. Then what will be the expression?
100 plus X.
100 plus X.
100 plus
100 plus X.
I'll show you this type of word problem. See, marks in science equals to X. Marks in mathematics equals to 100. So, total marks is 100 plus X. Understood the format of writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
एक चीज हम बता दे रहे हैं, एल्जेब्रा के क्वेश्चंस ओरली हो जाते हैं. एल्जेब्रा के जितने क्वेश्चंस हैं दे आर इजीली डन ओरली, बट यू शुड नो हाउ टू राइट देम. लेकिन लिखने का तरीका आना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपका तो ओरल एग्जाम तो होगा नहीं, आपका रिटन एग्जाम होगा. बात समझे ना? एमसीक्यू के फॉर्म में नहीं होने वाला. इट विल बी नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एमसीक्यू आल्सो, राइट? कि सही ऑप्शन टिक कर दिया. Am I right? Am I clear or not? Am I clear or not? Stop taking the snapshot.
Yes, ma'am. You are.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
In algebra, you will be doing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
coding,
Clear.
but you should know how to write them. Am I clear? So let's try one more question. Nishu is 4 years younger than Rishu. Fourth question I'm reading. I'm reading the fourth question. Nishu is 4 years younger than Rishu. Can you express Nishu's age? We have to know Nishu's age, the first ones, in terms of Rishu's age. And we can take the age of Rishu as Z. It's given in the question. We can take the age of Rishu as Z. The variable for Rishu is given to us, and based on that variable, we have to find the age of Nishu. So the relationship, what's the relationship between Nishu and Rishu is given to us. 4 years younger. What does this 4 years younger means? 4 x minus 4 or x plus 4?
Ma'am, x plus 4.
X minus 4.
Ma'am, z plus 4.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, x plus 4.
Ma'am, X minus.
Ma'am, z plus 4.
X
X plus 4.
Ma'am,
Z plus
Z
4.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
4 minus Z.
Give a definite
X
answer.
minus 4. Ma'am, 4 minus Z.
Be calm and
Ma'am,
tell.
x plus 4.
X plus 4 or x minus 4? First
Ma'am,
thing,
X minus
Z
4.
minus 4.
x is not given. Z.
Z minus 4. Z minus 4.
plus 4.
Let's take. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, Mariam has muted.
Ma'am, Mariam has muted. Mistake, ma'am. Ma'am, Mariam has muted. Ma'am, someone has muted you.
Ma'am, Mariam has muted you.
Ma'am, Mariam has muted you.
Shivangi, move Mariam out of the class. I don't know which one is. Please move out. The one punishment I have told for the class. I have told now, whosoever will be muting me will be out of my class. I have told you this now. This will be the punishment. Right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Right. So again, listen. I am taking Atharv and Tanay. Listen to me. I am taking the same question, but now taking the two names, right, from your class. First think and then answer. See, Atharv, your age is Z, okay? And Tanay, you are 4 years. तुम 4 साल से छोटे हो, तो तुम्हारी एज क्या होगी? तुम कैसे बताओगे कि तुम अथर्व से कितने साल छोटे हो?
अथर्व के कितना साल है?
अथर्व की एज Z इयर्स है, ठीक अथर्व? और तुम अथर्व से Z इयर्स 4 साल छोटे हो. सेम क्वेश्चन. तुम कैसे बताओगे कि तुम्हारी एज क्या?
मैम 4 minus x.
4 minus
x minus 4. X minus 4.
Z से माइनस करो. यहाँ Z दिया गया है, तो Z से माइनस करोगे ना 4 साल.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Z से तो माइनस करोगे. Now is it clear the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the question clear? Why
Yes,
Z
ma'am.
4 and not Z plus 4? Is the question
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
लिखने का तरीका दिखाने की जरूरत है? लिखने का तरीका दिखाने की
No,
जरूरत?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
लिखने का तरीका समझ आ गया है ना? एक टर्म को डिवाइड
ma'am.
करोगे, आप हर
Yes,
एक टर्म करोगे, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन आप लिख दोगे, ठीक है? तो क्वेश्चन में मैंने दिखा दिया लिखने का तरीका क्या है. और दिखाने की जरूरत है लिखने का तरीका? नहीं ना? अब हम एक्सप्रेशंस डिस्कस
No, ma'am.
करते हैं, ठीक है? अब ओके, हु विल टेल मी दिस? Fifth one. Ravi gets rupees X as pocket money from his father every month. Okay, means every month. What is his pocket money for a year? Ravi gets X rupees every month. हर महीने रवि को x rupees मिलते हैं and we have to find out what amount of money gets Ravi in a year. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 365 into x.
Ma'am, x into 12.
Ma'am, x into 12.
12 into x. Ma'am,
12
into x.
Ma'am,
12
12
X into 12.
Ma'am, x into 12.
365 into x.
Class, do
X
we
into 12.
multiplication sign?
Ma'am, 12x.
Do we see the multiplication?
x. Ma'am, 12 into
Ma'am,
x.
x 12.
अच्छा वेरिएबल, अच्छा एक चीज और नहीं समझो, वेरिएबल नंबर से पहले कभी नहीं लिखे जाते, जो अल्फाबेट्स है वो हमेशा नंबर्स के बाद लिखे जाते हैं।
Ma'am,
ठीक है, ठीक है। कांस्टेंट में कांस्टेंट उनको कहते हैं जिनके पीछे कोई अल्फाबेट नहीं होता है, वेरिएबल्स उनको कहते हैं जिनके पीछे अल्फाबेट होते हैं। पीछे कहा है, आगे नहीं कहा है। क्या कहा है? पीछे कहा। इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर x 2 नहीं होगा, 2x होगा, मतलब 2 into x होता। और हम लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साइन को नहीं पढ़ते, मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साइन को ना लिख के दिखाते हैं ना पढ़ते हैं। ठीक है, ठीक है। एनी कंफ्यूजन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer? Come on.
Ma'am,
12x.
into x.
Ma'am,
12 into x. Ma'am, 12 into x.
Ma'am, 365 into x.
5 into
Ma'am, 12 into x.
Ma'am, 12 into x.
Ma'am, 12x.
Ma'am, 365
12x.
तुम्हें
Ma'am,
क्या
365 into x.
Who is giving the answer 365 days? Please raise your hand. Who is giving the answer 365 days? Okay, Tanay.
Ma'am, I am.
बेटा पढ़ो तो। Okay, साहिल एंड तनय, listen. एक चीज बताओ, महीने में पैसा मिल रहा है कि रोज पैसा मिल रहा है? जरा देखो क्वेश्चन में पढ़ो।
I said it because here it will show us at 365.
I mean year.
No, but the money is getting monthly or yearly. पैसा उसको रोज डेली मिल रहा है?
Ma'am, yearly.
पैसा उसको महीने में मिल रहा है कि एक महीने में मिल रहा है कि हर दिन मिल रहा है?
Monthly.
तो फिर 365 डेज कैसे हो जाएगा?
Sorry,
You have
ma'am.
to convert the year into months. Unit conversion याद है? I have told you now that everything has to be converted into same unit, then only calculated. So the question will be, first step will be, in a year we have 12 months. First step will be, in a year we have 1 year equals to 12 months. Second step will be, amount of money received in 1 month is x. Therefore, amount of money received in 12 months, that is equal to 1 year, that is equal to 12x. Understood this method of writing? Should you want I should repeat? Should I repeat it?
No,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once more I'm repeating. 1 year equals to 12 months. Then only we can do the question, because both the units should be in same value. The first part is in months and the other part is in years. So we have to convert into months, right? So 1 year is equals to 12 months. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
amount of money received in 1 month is equals to x. Therefore, amount of money received in 1 year equal to 12 months equals to 12 in x. Right? Right or wrong?
Ma'am, right. Right, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
right.
Now try one more question.
Ma'am, right.
Okay. Now try. A student is drawing a picture by joining dots. Read that question. A student is drawing a picture joining dots. What's the question? Read? Have you read the question?
Excuse me, ma'am. I can't see your screen sharing.
I'm not showing you anything. I just said to read the question. I've just said to read the question, and you will be explaining me this question. I've just said to read the question. I will be explaining this question, and you will be explaining this question to me.
Ma'am, which?
A student is drawing pictures by
Now,
joining
not this
dots.
The picture, ninth question. A student is drawing pictures of by ninth question. Read this question fast and explain me.
A student is drawing pictures by joining dots. To make one picture, he has to join 15 dots. Find the rule that gives the number of dots if the number of pictures is represented by the symbol S. How many dots he has to join if he draws 10 pictures?
Can anyone explain me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 50. He has to drawing a one pictures by joining dots. He is using 15 dots to make 10 pictures. It would be 15 into 10.
What is first part? Without doing the first part, if you will solve the second part, you will get a 0. Remember this. Have you heard about my marking system? You have heard, na? Shortcuts are not allowed in my paper. Shortcuts are not allowed in my paper. So don't try to have a shortcut. Fatima, move out of my class. Mariam, Fatima, move out of my class. Come on. Can anyone tell me what will be the first part? Fast, I have another class, beta. Move, fast, tell me. Okay, I'm helping you out.
15 into S.
15S, not 15 into S. Disha?
Sorry, ma'am. 15
S. If you will read wrong, you will write wrong. So let the number of picture be S. Number of dots in one picture is 15. So total dots is 15S. Now, the second part of the question says that the number of picture S is equal to 10. The value of S is equal to 10. So, then the number of dots will be 15S. This S will be substituted by multiplied by 10. Now you can see, when I was writing a variable, I didn't use the multiplication sign. But when I wrote a number, I used the multiplication sign. Am I clear now? Am I clear? Oh, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
I have not done the slideshow.
Yes, ma'am. Join करने भी बता रहे हैं काम में.
Again I am showing. Sorry for the problem. Sorry. Now can you see? See.
Yes, ma'am.
Let the number of pictures be S. Let the number of dots is 15. And therefore total dots is 15S. Understood this much? Now, number of picture is equal to S. That was the fixed. But now we have defined the value for S. What is that? 10. So, then the number of dots is 15S. Now, that is equal to 15 multiplied by 10. You can see the difference between writing a variable form and a constant form. When I have written in the form of S, 15 into S, I have not shown the multiplication sign. But when I have written in the form of numbers, I have shown the multiplication sign. That is 15 multiplied by 10. That gives me 150 dots. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do the question by yourself?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you-
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
do the questions by yourself now? Okay, so note down the homework for today. Just cancel question number 6 and 13. Just cancel question number 6 and 13. Cancel question number 6 and 13. Cancel? Have you cancelled?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To do. Rest of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
questions, you have to do rest of the questions. Understand? You have to do rest of the questions.
Ma'am, keep moving.
You don't have to do question number 6 and 13. Rest all the questions you have to do, and tomorrow we will be completing the syllabus. And tomorrow's exercise is similar type of exercise, only we will be having some figures. जो कल का है वो इसी तरीके का ही एक्सरसाइज है. 7.2 is also similar type of exercise, totally similar. Just now we will talk about some geometrical figures also. Here we were not talking about geometrical figures, right? We were not talking about squares, triangles, and this such type of. We have perimeter, square. In type these type of, we were just talking about numbers, age, amount, rupees. In the 7.2 we will be talking about figures, different types of figures. Means, for example, if an equilateral triangle is given, what will be its formula for area, what will be for its formula for perimeter in algebraic form. Understood? Understood the difference between exercise 7.1 and 7.2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please complete this exercise.
Yes.
Any queries still left? Any queries still left?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then thank you and have a nice day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.